Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to delete Facebook account permanently. Well, as you can see, I am into my Facebook account, right? In the top right corner icon, I will click on that, and then settings and privacy, then again settings. In left side we can click on see more in account center. Now personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. We will select our Facebook account. Here is the option of permanently deleting your account, right? You just need to select it and then click on continue, enter your Facebook password, and your account would be permanently deleted from the Facebook, right? It is not a temporary action. Now let me tell you that if you want to learn digital marketing course, right, you can check out our video description. You can click on the website link given in that particular description and can visit our website, explore our course, and can purchase from directly there, right? Okay, thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.